Okay, I bought a new Gernie part. It's a patio cleaner. I'm using it on the driveway here. It's got two spinning dials that go underneath, and it's adjustable speed. It's connected to my Gernie Classic 125, which is kilopascals, which is about 1800 psi. It seems to be doing a great job. Here I am. And this is the job I've got to do. Like, I had to clean some graffiti off the end of the driveway, and it left me with a dirty driveway all the way down the other end, which I'm going to have to clean. And I was trying to go back and forwards with a normal one, but with the nozzle, but it's taking way too long. So for 110 bucks I picked this up at Bunnings, and we'll see how it goes. I also bought a new handle because just the sprayer part, because it was leaking like a sieve, and that was another 29 bucks. But if it makes the job easier, all good, and it seems to be doing a good job. Let's have a look at it. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Now, so you can see where I've been up the side here. Look at behind, it's in front, it's dirty, behind is clean. I tend to go fairly slow, because if I don't, you get like a swirling pattern left behind, because you've only just got the, along the edges, the thing is coming all the way back, but across, it's just spinning across there. So if you push forward too fast, I'll show you an example. Okay, so see how nice and clean that is? Watch if I go too quick. Can you see the swirling pattern on the ground there? It's not clean, you know. So if I go slow, I get it. Okay. And it left a little bit there. I tend to, if there's a bit of a stripe, I come back with the edge, because the edge naturally gets more cleaning time rather than the across when you're pushing it too quickly. So here we go. Won't be able to see it in a minute because I'm sort of going into the shadow of the fence, but come back. Now it's got brushes on the bottom. The brushes aren't for cleaning, they're just for letting it hover on it. I did spray off any loose dirt and so on. If you look further down there, there's a lot of loose gravel and stuff. I'm taking the nozzle, I'm using just the nozzle just to spray that down the drive, because I don't want to put the get it all clogging up inside the brush area here. So I'm getting into the shadow, so I'll stop filming now. But yeah, I hope that gives you some idea of how good this is and what a good investment it is. But I did find the smaller one, I was really struggling because it was hovering off the ground. I was recommended to get the smaller one because my other Gernie, I've got two here, my other one was only a 1500 psi, and he said it won't have enough power to spin this. But when I plugged this one in and found it was still working, once I put new hoses and a handle on it, I've decided I might as well get the much bigger one. That's a hell of a lot quicker than going along with a 3-inch turbo brush. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.